Okay, have you heard of TikTok before?
No, who's TikTok?
So TikTok is a huge app that is enormous. It's out of China, and people love it. And basically, it's a streaming thing, right? So it's kind of like Snapchat, but instead of just to your friends, you stream to the public, and everyone can kind of see you. So people use it for all different kinds of things, and it is huge. The company that makes TikTok is called ByteDance, and ByteDance sounds American, but it is very much Chinese, and they are estimated to be worth $75 billion. Now,
Wow.
TikTok actually trumped Facebook and Spotify and all the other apps just a few months ago on the App Store is the number one downloaded app in America.
Ooh.
And so people are really using it. And I mean, definitely the Chinese are using it, and now we're using it here a ton.
So it's music streaming?
No, no, you stream yourself, right? And
Oh,
so yeah,
okay.
but instead of just to your friends, like you know how you'd send a snap to your friends, you
Yeah.
can, just stream whatever you're doing. And anyway, I think we should try it out this week as a fun project.
Yeah.
Just see what we think of TikTok. And you're gonna do the Tor browser, right? Because you've
I'll
got
do
an Android phone.
I'll do the Tor browser and TikTok. This will be the experimental week.
And next week we'll come back and tell you what we think. Here's the thing. So they have $75 billion in their war chest. Now
Ooh.
they want to enter the music streaming business. So they're going to start rivaling Spotify and Apple Music. And I hope they're going to bring a cheaper streaming solution to all of us. But it's Chinese. Isn't that fascinating?
Oh, we can have C-pop, Chinese
Yes.
pop music that's gonna
Why
take
does
all
that
over.
sound dirty?
I don't know, but I've listened to K-pop and J-pop. Why not C-pop?
Why not C-pop? All right. So let's we'll come back next week and tell you what we think about TikTok and the Tor browser.
And C-pop if we can find some.
I'm gonna listen to some C-pop tonight.